Good morning everyone. Students, we were doing placing an order letter. What are the features of order letter? First of all, it's a kind of formal letter. Second one is writing to place an order for goods or items. And third one is follow format and word limit 100 to 120 words. We had started the placing an order letter yesterday, and we did one example yesterday. Today we will start the second example of placing an order letter. So the second example is write a letter to Delhi Sports, New Delhi, placing an order for sports goods to be supplied to your school. Sign as Ravi Ravina, Sports Secretary. स्टूडेंट्स, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आपको सेंडर्स एड्रेस आपके स्टेटमेंट में गिवन होता है, कई बार आपको गिवन नहीं होता है. एट दैट टाइम यू मस्ट हैव योर रेडीमेड सेंडर्स एड्रेस विद यू. अगर गिवन नहीं है तो आपको अपनी तरफ से एक एड्रेस लिखना है, एंड इट मस्ट बी करेक्ट. देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक और ग्रामर मिस्टेक. सो एनी sender's address we can write here because it is not given here. Okay, the address will be, you can write any address: Happy Time Public School, Bhajanpura, New Delhi, and after that you will mention the code of New Delhi. It's very simple and you can write it very easily. It's 1100 cross. You can write here 3 digits 110. After that you can mention 3 cross there. After that you have to leave one line. After that 19th January 2000 cross, it means date will be there. After date, address of addressee will be there. Address of addressee to whom you are going to write the letter, and you are going to write the letter to the manager, Delhi Sports, Daryaganj, New Delhi. And after that you will mention the code. There's no need to write again the code because you have mentioned it earlier. After that salutation will be there, and after salutation you will mention the subject. It's placement of sports good. Placement of sports goods. After that you will start the first paragraph. You can write it as you have written in the first letter, like we are happy to place the orders for the following items. And you can mention here in this type also, this has reference to the quotation dated 19 December 2020. After that, kindly send the following items at the above address. इसके बाद जो आपको आइटम मंगाने हैं वो आइटम आपको यहाँ पर मेंशन करने हैं. अगर ये आपके स्टार्टिंग में गिवन है, स्टेटमेंट में गिवन है, देन यू विल राइट द सेम. अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट फ्रॉम योर ओन साइड. सो फर्स्टली यू विल मेंशन द नेम ऑफ द आइटम्स. I told you yesterday, firstly you have to mention the serial number. It's a 1 2 3 4, like serial number 1 2 3 and 4. First item is football. क्वांटिटी कितनी चाहिए आपको, नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स कितने चाहिए, 10. एंड क्रिकेट बॉल्स 10 मेड ऑफ लेदर. टेनिस बॉल्स 20 विकी ब्रांड. एंड क्रिकेट बैट्स एंड क्वांटिटी is 10. Quantity is 10. In the next paragraph you will mention about the condition of the items. You will mention the packing of the items, and you will write about the time of the delivery. So all the items should be in good condition, well bound and packed properly and delivered within a week. Full stop. After that you will mention about the payment. It may be cash or in check or you can, the payment will be made by cash once the items reach us. Any damage transportation would be your responsibility. After that you will mention the complimentary clause. It's yours faithfully. After that you will mention the full name, and designation will be there if required. Students, you have to write this letter in your fair notebooks. और यहाँ पर 10th क्लास के मॉक टेस्ट स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं. मॉक टेस्ट के लिए आपको मैंने 3 चैप्टर्स दिए हैं रिवाइज़ करने के लिए. फर्स्ट वन इज़ अ लेटर टू गॉड. second one is Nelson Mandela, and the third one is 2 stories about flying, part 1 and part 2. Objective questions will be given in the test. Total number of questions will be 15, and you will mention the correct option out of 4 options. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इसके लिए आपको जो कंप्लीट चैप्टर है उसको थोरली रीड करना है, क्योंकि जो क्वेश्चंस होंगे आपके इन बिटवीन पूछे जाएंगे. सो यू मस्ट हैव ए गुड कमांड ओवर द ईच एंड एवरी MCQs ऑफ द चैप्टर. सो इसके लिए आपको कंप्लीट चैप्टर को रीड करना पड़ेगा और थोरली रीड करना पड़ेगा, ताकि आप जितने भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएँ उनके करेक्ट आंसर दे सकें. सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.